Hi, my name is Nadia Dolce. I created this tutorial to make your Canva use a little easier if you're not super familiar with the app and how it works. So the way I did this is that it's going to be really simple. You just need to follow the video and we're going to be changing up our mood boards and our color palettes. So let's start with the color palette. If you want to change a color in the color palette, what you can do is click on that particular swatch. Now we don't like this blue, so maybe we want to go with something a little different. We'll go with a very different color. We click on that plus button to get the exact color we want. I'm going to drag it all the way here. I like this one. Now, to change our color palette, the numbers won't be matching anymore as we change the color. So we're going to copy paste it. And we're going to click on the writing below it. And we're going to paste. It's as simple as that. I'm going to revert back to the way it was. There you go. And as far as the mood board goes, we have a font here. I used Moontime, but you could switch that up as well by clicking here in your fonts. And then switching up the font size as well will be helpful. All right. Next, we're going to look at our little color swatches here that we can also change depending on your brand's needs and your business's colors that you want to be using. You could choose to switch one out if you feel like something else would be more suited. Let's say you want to just put black over here. You can be writing with blacks, of course, and these colors are just to help your overall brand on social media and your website and whatever you need it for your materials. Now, all the pictures included in this mood board are free pictures included on Canva, but know that you can use Pro as well if you do have a Pro account. I like to keep it simple and use free images because it keeps me away from any issues with copyright, especially if I'm going to be selling a product. So here we go. We're going to switch out a certain picture. So we're going to change this one right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the images here. I will select something different that I feel goes with the mood. So I want to put this one right here. I'm going to drag it. And I'm not really happy with that, so I'm going to choose another one. There you go. This works with the mood that I'm going for, and I will change that back. Now, another way to find photos, free photos in Canva, is to do it this way. Photos that match your colors. So let's go with this green. I need to figure out what color this green is, so I click on the plus sign and it locates the color. I copy paste it. Sorry if I'm going fast. I copy paste the color and I go to photos because I want to find photos. I click over here to search for photos with filters. Now I want to find pictures that contain this color. So I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to copy paste the actual color. I'm going to press apply. Now I also want it to be free photos, so I make sure I click on that. And then I could also pick if the picture is horizontal, square, or vertical, or if it's just a cutout. So for me, I want to have as many options as possible that are free. I apply the filter, and now it shows me images, as you could see, that contain this green color. And I could simply select it and place it into my mood board, and that also works. Now, if I want to get really specific on what kind of picture I'm looking for with this color, I could write beauty and see what comes up. So different images are coming up with beauty. If I want to look for fashion, these are common topics, I can also do that. So it's very simple. If there's anything else that you're looking for in terms of elements, I did use elements in this mood board. Some of them are free and some of them are not, so you could switch those out. But if you go to Element and you click Frames, for swatch colors, I like to use these little painting types, and then you could simply add them into your design. And you could also change the color. So I'm going to use that green. Or you could actually drag a photo in there as well. It can be tricky to get it in. There you go. So this is how you could change it. You also have my logo here that you would remove for your mood board and put your own if you wanted to do that as well, or your website, and you could just move things around. So this is a simple mood board that you could use, and to delete my logo you could just go to the little trash can here. Other than that, I think it was pretty straightforward. If you need additional help, you can email me at inquiries@nadiadolce.com. I may not be able to respond as fast as you would like, so please refer back to this tutorial and get familiar with the app on how to use it. And if you want to reach out to me and learn more about me, you can visit nadiadolce.com. Follow me on Instagram at nadiadolce, on TikTok, and we could connect. So I'll let you go on that note, and I hope that these mood boards and color palettes work for you. Enjoy.